Well, I'm back with my episode 6 and 7 review on Divorced Sisters. I wasn't sure that I was going to keep up with this show, but I'm giving it a try for these 2 episodes. It still was lackluster, but I watched it, so I'm going to put my thoughts out here on the show for episode 6 and 7 of season 1. So it starts off with Rashida. In episode 6, she was sleeping in the car because it was a trigger for her that pastor did not open the door, so she slept overnight in the car, which Tyler Perry always does these deal breakers that women have, which I think it's exaggerated, but okay, whatever. That was a deal breaker for her. So she slept all night in the car, and Tiffany was telling Pastor that back in her school days that she vowed that she'll never marry somebody that didn't open the door for her. So therefore, that's why she slept in the car. And it turns out when she gets out the car, Byron, whatever, called, and he was like, "Baby, is that you?" And he, that was on Pastor's phone, and Rashida heard it. So Rashida right here in the second lady, played by Latoya Luckett, she heard it and she was all shocked, and so we're all suspecting that they're lovers, but it turns out he's saying that he was actually thinking it was his wife, and he accidentally called Pastor's phone. But cliffhanger that Tyler left us on, so we were all thinking that Pastor and Myron are lovers, but it's still suspect, as you've seen as 6 and 7 went on, and he's swearing up and down that he thought he called his wife, and then Pastor's like, "Why would you do that? Why would you do that?" Now she's suspecting something, but we still got the side eye to that situation because Pastor's going real hard, but Myron is really debating that. Bridget comes on the scene with her young guy, her little preschool guy who can't act, and he is stating that because of the whole fight that he had with that guy, that he is going to take his life. He's going to commit suicide. So turns out he didn't. He was trying to get out of it because he didn't want to get in trouble with his poor acting self as usual, which when she's acting with him, she's horrible, but when she's talking to the girls, it's cool. I just can't stand him. I just wish that they would just write him out the scene. I wish that he was really gone, but of course he was faking. Whatever, who cares? On to Geneva and her little love quadruple. She's over here stalking Javon, this guy that's come back into her life, that he wants her, but she secretly is acting like she don't want him, but she really does. But he's trying to talk to